Haydar, Freya, Aidan! Finally we arrived. It's going to be an amazing weekend. Let's take a boat.
Let's go! Great! Yes! Let's go!
We are going now to take a boat.
Wow! Woohoo!
We're going, say bye-bye. We're going, we're on the boat.
Wow! Let's go! Good job!
We're going to ride donuts.
Okay,
Join us.
let's go!
Come and follow me.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Wow! Fantastic! Ah!
That's nice.
Excellent! Wow!
Nice try.
Mommy, let's go and look for treasure.
Okay, Freya, why not? Let's go.
Let's go! Ah! That's nice. Oh no!
Freya! Freya, what happened? Here, keep digging, keep digging.
Aha!
Freya, look. Come on, let's dig here. I see something.
Oh no!
Look, I found something. I think the treasure is here.
Yes!
Fantastic!
How about we go to the kids club?
Yes!
Wow! Aha! Wow! Great!
Wow.
Woohoo! Wow! Great! Excellent! That's nice.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Nice job.
Excellent!
Purple. Let's take these one then.
Okay.
Okay, we got it. So, do you want the yellow ball as well?
Yeah.
Have fun there.
Wow!
Let's choose yours. You can adjust everything. You can take this. And you want smaller, yeah?
Hmm.
The black ball.
Okay. Smaller like this or you want more small?
Okay.
More small. Like this?
Let's go.
Okay!
Great.
That's nice!
Great.
Okay, first of all, look how, okay?
Okay.
Arms straight. You stand like this. Then you bend your knee like this.
Hmm.
Then your hands come straight.
Let's go. Hmm. Fantastic.